Hello guys, welcome to another episode of English with Sandy. And I'm going to quickly tell you how I'm going to earn while I record my voice. So at the moment, let me tell you, I have $17 and some cents available in my account. I'll quickly record and it should increase. Okay, so let me complete the recording in front of you, then I'll show you my screen. Imagine waking, sorry, I'll have to record it again. Imagine walking into your favorite local boutique one afternoon. You're greeted by the warm, familiar scent of vanilla and cinnamon, a comforting aroma that always makes you feel at home. As you stroll through the aisles, soft music plays in the background, creating a tranquil atmosphere that invites you to explore. You find yourself drawn to a new display, a collection of autumn-inspired scarves, each one more vibrant than the last. The colors seem to capture the essence of fall, with deep oranges, rich burgundies, and muted yellows. You pick up the scarf, feeling the soft texture between your fingers, and you can't help but imagine how it would add a perfect touch to your wardrobe. Nearby, a friendly sales associate catches your eye and offers a warm smile. They mention that all scarves are handcrafted by the local artisans, which adds a special charm and uniqueness to each piece. Intrigued, you ask a couple of questions and learn about the stories behind the artisans who create these beautiful accessories. It feels good to support local talent. As you continue to browse, you notice a section dedicated to eco-friendly product. A small sign explains how these items are made from sustainable materials, and the store is committed to reducing its carbon footprint. It's refreshing to see a business that cares about the environment, and you make a mental note to tell your eco-conscious friends about this place. Finally, with a couple of carefully selected items in hand, you head to the checkout. The cashier chats with you as they ring up your purchases, and it feels more like a friendly exchange than a transaction. You leave the store not just with a bag of new items, but a sense of satisfaction, knowing that your shopping experience was personal and mindful. So guys, now I've finished recording and you'll see I've got this amount here, and this available amount is $17.60. Now, once my recording is approved, I'll also get the $7.42. So I have to wait for a few hours, a few hours till my recording gets approved. And then the $7.42 will also come to me. So that's how you can earn. And anyone who's interested can message me on my YouTube and I will respond to you. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you all can start recording and earning in dollars too. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.